Hi everyone, it is Tammy and it's time for a vlog. I feel like I haven't done this forever because it's been a while. I don't know what's been going on, but it's been busy. That reminds me of one of those Christmas movies. I think that one of the guys says that. Oh well, that's a long time ago video. I'm sorry, I'm yawning already. It's been a long day. It's about 3:50 in the afternoon on Tuesday. I am heading to Target. I'm just now leaving work. And some of you are so familiar with me, you might recognize that I'm going a different route. That's because I'm in my new office. I think this is my first time doing a vlog on the way home this way. I could be wrong, but I think it's the first time. I'm still yawning though, per usual. But so Sunday was Easter and Katie was home for Easter weekend and Alex was home for Easter, and it was great. We had a really good time. I am going to be posting a video, I hope on Friday, that will have my whole Easter dinner from start to finish, and I should have some pictures at the end of that, and hopefully I'll put some at the end of this too, from Easter, so that you guys can see some of the fun that we had. Oh my goodness. I'm really sorry about the yawns. I wasn't even yawning at the office. I don't know. I really don't know. But I'm on my way to Target because I want to get a coffee maker for work. And I've been trying to decide what I wanted to do because I have an office that I can put a coffee maker and a refrigerator in. And then somebody from my team said that they had a refrigerator they could bring in. But there's a really nice spot in the Teams area that they can use for coffee and refrigerator. So I told him just to bring it in to work and put it there. And he was like, I can put it in your office, because we had talked about it and he had said he was going to put it in my office. But I said, no, go ahead and leave it there, and I'm going to bring a coffee pot tomorrow. So I'm going to Target to get a coffee pot to put in that main area so that they have that. There is a break room and there's coffee in there, but it's sometimes nice to not have to go all the way to the break room. Not that it's all the way or anything, but you know what I mean. So I think I'm still going to get a small refrigerator and a coffee pot for my office too, so that I can still keep my creamer in there and make my coffee and just kind of make it mine. I have the space and I have actually a really good spot for it, so I'm thinking that's what I'm gonna do. And I don't need it. What was I gonna say? I don't need it. No, I need it. Oh, I won't need it probably when I move offices, because I'm moving again in about a year. But if I can, I might just keep it and put it under my desk, because we're moving to cubicles next year. We are having an open floor plan, and I'm not going to have my own office. So if I can't use it there, I was thinking at the very least, now this is really bad, I could maybe find a spot in my craft room and put it in there, because I know that's bad, but because I wouldn't want to have to walk to the kitchen to get my coffee. Now would I? That's a little much. No, but it would be nice. And the whole reason I have this idea is because of Lisa. Thank you, Lisa. I'm blaming you for that. But seriously, she has one upstairs and one downstairs, one in her office. She has her Keurig in her office, which totally makes sense. And she's the only person in her house that drinks coffee. At least I have two people in my house that drink coffee. And so I can justify it both being on the same floor because of that, right? Right? But this would make like a whole pot of coffee, so I could make a pot of coffee. I don't know. I'm sorry about the yawns, but I have a year to figure it out, so I'm not going to worry too much about it. I did go ahead and buy the coffee pot for the team online today, And I bought the coffee pot for myself over the weekend on Amazon, and it's been delivered. I ordered it last week. Actually, I don't think I ordered it over the weekend. I think I ordered it last week and it came over the weekend. But I have my coffee pot. I just need to get a refrigerator for my office, and it was hard to pick one out online, so I wanted to just look at them. And it looked like Target had the best deal right now with the little mini fridges, because they have them like $40 off. And when I searched Whirlpool or Amazon or any of those to look at different fridges, none of them were as inexpensive as the ones at Target. So I'm thinking that that's going to be the best deal. Not to mention the most convenient, which also makes it a better deal for me. So that's nice. And then I'm also looking at a new vlogging camera, because right now, of course, I use my phone, which is fabulous and it works out great. So I really don't know that I need anything new. But I know sometimes the microphone is bad, but I really haven't had much of an issue. So I don't know. I keep talking myself out of it. I've looked online and I've thought about things, but then I've always gone back to, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. And this ain't broke. I mean, it seems like it's working okay. You guys don't complain about my videos, and you haven't even complained about the sound for a long time. So I don't know. I'm thinking it's okay. So I may not switch anything, but that's something that I'm thinking about. And I am so sorry that I keep yawning. It's embarrassing. And I really don't know why I am. I really want to have a mint or something, but do I have a mint? I may have one. Or a piece of gum or something, because I have some mints. Mints are supposed to help keep you awake. Peppermint, anyway. And this is Arctic strawberry. They're quite enjoyable. So which is more rude, yawning or eating a mint while I'm vlogging? I don't even know. I'll try to push them to the side so that it won't be so obvious. And hopefully it will do the trick. So I'm on my way to Target. I might look around just a hair, and then I'm going to go home. I don't know what we're doing for dinner tonight. I haven't even really thought about it. We have leftovers from Easter, and my gosh, they were so good. I'm ready for leftovers. I can have some ham and some carrot souffle, and there's vegetables left. That sounds good to me. Sounds like I just decided what we're having for dinner. Ooh, that's sour. And then I want to play with my paper crafts a little bit. And I am knitting a washcloth. I've done 2, I need 2 more, so I'm on the middle of my 3rd one. Because I want to I like to give them in pairs. So I have 2 for one friend and 2 for another friend. And that gets done soon, quickly. But I'm so excited about all my paper crafting. I've been looking at all that. I have not even looked at the retired list from Stampin' Up. Oh, I didn't need over. I didn't know if I did or not. And that's available now. So I need to take a peek at that. So I did decide to sell Stampin' Up again, so I am a demonstrator, but I'm really not so into sales so much as I am into discount for myself. But if there's anything that you guys need and I can help you with, just let me know and I will be happy to do that. So that's my scoop on that. Ooh, there's Portillo's, that's yummy. Hot dogs, beef, burgers, and salads. They have a couple really good salads. And of course I don't know what it's called, their This says beef, but I know that like Chicago style beef something is really good too, but I haven't had that forever. It's a neat looking building. Looks like an old building with like advertisements on it. It's an old brick building. It's not an old brick building, it's a new brick building, but they aged it. It looks good. So Katie went back to school yesterday, and her boyfriend lives in St. Louis, so they drove from St. Louis, and they drive straight through here to get to Taylor. So they came here, and we took them out to dinner at one of our favorite Mexican restaurants, and it was fun to be with everybody and to have a nice dinner, just sit down and talk to everybody. It was really fun. So we had a good time, and I am pulling into Target. So I'm gonna let you guys go, and I will talk with you guys soon. I really, really appreciate each and every one of you. Sorry it's been so long since I've vlogged, but hopefully I'll get back to it. And I'll talk soon. Bye-bye.